Semi-retirement is working out really well for Dean Wilson. Now, obviously, he's not racing Supercross this year. He's doing whatever he wants, and that includes winning the UK Arenacross Championship. And, well, it's 6 for 6. And you gotta say, Dean Wilson, incredible talent. Sadly, lots of injuries. Could have done really well, I think, if he wasn't hurt a lot and didn't have the knees of a probably 90-year-old at this point. But now he gets to do whatever he wants right now. Racing for fun, racing the series that he wants to, wherever it is, whatever series it is. And it just shows you, one, how good he is, and two, how good the people who race Supercross are. When you consider, he is handily winning 6 out of 6 events in an Arena Cross championship. And you can say, yes, it is Arena Cross, it's not Supercross, whatever. They're close enough to the same discipline. It's in an arena, there's jumps, whatever. Yes, there's smaller jumps, smaller arenas, same basic idea. But you gotta say, you, how good the people who race Supercross are. It's the 0.1% of the 1%. And to show, like, this shows it at the age of 33. So he's not exactly young. He's not like some 19-year-old or 20-year-old that couldn't get a ride over here and going racing across, over the seas. He's 33, semi-retired, or however you want to call it, fun retired, and he shows that he can go to other series and absolutely just have his way. Get out there, win, be perfectly, perfectly fine. 6 for 6 is pretty good. And I have to say, I'm a little biased about this. I like Dean Wilson. Obviously, great talent. Like I said, horrible injury prone, but also just, that's not something you can really control, but just the personality, what he does for on the YouTube side of things. And if you ever seen any of his videos, like giving bikes to kids that have, I don't know, say less fortune than others, like, some of these top guys could do this easily. Him, who at one point was on a privateer bike, at one point was a, super factory prodigy, and then, now is racing for fun. Like, he doesn't need to do that. He probably doesn't really have a ton of the extra money to do that. But to go out and help people that don't have everything that they need or everything that they want to go help race, and it's cool to see. Great personality, great guy. It's nice to see him being able to enjoy, racing for fun and winning, not going over there and, having a bad time. But I'm excited for this. Good for him. Congrats to him for winning. I mean, obviously, I'm biased, like I said, whatever. But comment down below. I want to hear what you think. You a fan of Dean Wilson? Do you watch anything, Arena Cross from across the pond, or are you just a Supercross or motocross fan from over here? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.